Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove the time and date when printing from Chrome, Edge, and Firefox. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once you're in Chrome, press Ctrl+P on your keyboard to bring up the print dialog box. This is the window where you can configure all your printing preferences before sending a document to your printer. Now look for the More Settings option within this print dialog. Click on it to expand additional printing options that aren't visible by default. Once the expanded menu appears, you'll see a checkbox labeled Headers and Footers. This option is what automatically adds the date, time, page title, and URL to the top and bottom of your printed pages. Go ahead and uncheck this box, and Chrome will no longer include those elements when you print. This gives you a cleaner printout without any extra information cluttering your pages. Next, let's move over to Microsoft Edge browser. Open Edge and once again press Ctrl+P on your keyboard to open the print settings. Just like in Chrome, you'll need to access the More Settings section to reveal the additional configuration options. Click on More Settings to expand the menu. You'll notice that Edge also has a Headers and Footers checkbox in this section. Uncheck this option, and Edge will remove the automatic date, time, and page information from your printed documents. This ensures consistency across browsers if you're switching between them for different tasks. Now let's switch to Mozilla Firefox browser. Open Firefox and press Ctrl+P to bring up the print dialog. Similar to the previous browsers, click on More Settings to access the full range of printing options. In Firefox, the option is labeled slightly differently. Look for the checkbox that says Print Headers and Footers. Uncheck this box, and Firefox will stop adding the date, time, URL, and page title to your printed pages. This small adjustment makes a big difference in how professional and clean your printouts look, especially for documents you're sharing or presenting. And that's it. You've now successfully removed the time and date from printing in Chrome, Edge, and Firefox. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.